Hello everyone, Filip here, back once more with a Sony Vegas Pro 11 tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out on a picture or a video clip. So just go over to your video track, select track motion, symbol here with an arrow, or you can simply go to tools, video, and track motion. So you see the picture here, and here you can scale your picture or video. Here I have checked these two, as you see, prevent movement and prevent scaling. These make so that the image only zooms in or out to the left or right. And if I uncheck these and instead check these two, it prevents movement and scaling to the left and the right, and only enables scaling and movement up and down. So if I have none of these checked, I can move and scale however I want to. And move like this. So yeah, that was it. Pretty simple. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, just go to your track motion and yeah, go crazy. Until next time, hasta luego.